Hi, this is Ben's Machine Shop. I'm Ben. This is phase 2, part 4 of homemade machine tools. I have a few to show, but for to start with, the tape I made on making a new roller for my saw, rather than scrap the old stand, I made use of it. So we'll start with it. Now this was the old stand that I was left with. So I turned it into a seat, which is quite, and it takes up very little room. Very little room. Something useful rather than scrap it. A handy little seat. Now here is another tool I have used on many a tape, and this was on it, and if you've watched my tapes, you've seen this fall out a few times. It's bent, so which saves a lot of bother. I was walking around the scrapyard a couple of weeks ago and looking for bits and pieces, and I found this at my feet. I thought I could make use of that and they do make look at that, they make a nice punch. They're very hard, very durable. Grind at a point on it, they make a good punch. Now here is a tool that I made for different holders. I wish to show the tools that it can useful. Now when I was making it, I turned it at 1.5 thou on that end. I just let it touch. Now this is a homemade stand that I made for it, and when wound it up like so, cap it going on. This is my taper. by hand for to get me a Morse 3 taper. I was able to use this collar. This is one of a collar I made. I have 4 of them, different sizes. I have a tape on making them actually, and I threaded the back of this for the drawbar for to pull it, and that and board it out. Now I haven't that tight just for demonstration purposes, but the tools that it allowed me to use, I will show a few of them that I have, that I don't have a collet big enough for them. Now this is the end mills I was able to use on the table. I don't have a collet big enough, and it's an inch collet. The grub screws for tightening. I have 2 grub screws tightens each tool. I have, I think it's about 6, maybe 7 end mills. Some of the end mills is smaller, but with an inch base, which allows me to use them. It also goes into my tailstock, which can take these drills. I have quite a few of these. I got them, some of them given to me, and I bought a few at a flea market. I have a few and might as well make use of them. Which means I can use on my tailstock. Which is Morse 3. And when you put this into the headstock of the lathe, which means it's true and bores out true. Useful tool. I have used it a few times. I have tips on making it, but I don't know whether I have a tip on using it or not. I must make a tool on using it. on both ends of the lathe, here and here. Now that is some of the tools that I've made. I'm actually sitting on a stool, and that punch is handy, and the drill holder, end mill holder, I must make a tape on using it. This is Ben's Machine Shop. I hope some of you have found this of interest. If so, press the like button. Go to my website, Benny Marner. Thank you for watching.